I'm Brian Amrine with Value Driven Analytics, and I'm so excited to share with you in this video about all the different ways analytics is being used in a variety of industries. Perhaps this video will start to give you a sense for which industry you might want to apply analytics to. At the very least, you'll get a sense for the breadth of analytics usage across a variety of industries. And a lot of successful companies are formed on the basis of taking a concept from one industry and applying it to another. So perhaps even if you're in a different industry, hearing about different ways different industries are using analytics in that industry could spur some ideas for how you might be able to take those techniques and apply them to your industry. With that said, let's get into this video on analytics in different industries. Let's talk about which industries and disciplines analytics can be applied to. The answer, in short, is just about any industry and just about any discipline. But let's see some specific examples. In the manufacturing context, you may have heard of the concept of Six Sigma, continuous improvement. That is a statistical based approach to improving a process. Analytics is very popular in manufacturing. A lot of times we want to understand how product quality is trending. And you might use an interactive dashboard to look at that so that you can drill into it and so that it's automatically updated. Next, in the marketing field, we want to understand what marketing initiatives have the highest return on investment. We have to figure out how much sales each marketing initiative is driving and then compare that to the cost. And we could use a variety of tools to do all of those things. When it comes to sales, we're very interested in understanding which prospects or maybe past customers are most likely to buy so that we can help our sales force prioritize their time with those customers or prospects that they're going to see the most value in calling. In the finance world, we'd want to probably trend out profit or sales and understand what that trend looks like. And again, an interactive dashboarding solution like Power BI or Tableau is a great way to do that. So that if we want to dive into a particular geography or business segment, it's easy to do that and quick to do that. In the HR field, which is becoming a more and more popular field to apply analytics to, there is this notion of looking at the biggest drivers of employee retention. Hopefully, your company is looking at that and not just looking at it, but taking action. Wouldn't that be good? But yes, every company wants to drive employee retention and engagement. And so it's possible that an analysis could be done to determine what types of things influence retention the most. That'd be a great data science model use case. In the medical field, I can't even count the number of people that are dedicated to determining what the impact of a treatment is on a patient outcome. Obviously, regulatory institutions want to know that. They want to know it with statistical significance before they're going to permit a drug to be used. And so that's a very important analysis, brings in a lot of statistics, a lot of data science. And in the sports world, over the past 20 or 30 years, there has been more and more analysis applied to figuring out things like which athlete attributes actually translate to better game performance. And that'll allow them to perhaps draft the best players. So many things that can be done in the sports industry. And in the stock market industry, we might use analytics to determine how volatile or variable or risky, all different ways of saying the same thing, a stock's price has been in the past so that we can ultimately model our portfolio in a way that has the right profile that we're looking for. Again, in short, analytics can be applied to just about any industry or discipline.